What's up? It's your boy DaVerseOfficial. Another video. That back there is for the next video. In this video, finally gonna get this done. It's been a minute. I should have got this done when I first got the truck, but let me just let you guys see what it was. Guys, I'm here, finally gonna get it done, gonna get the linex done and taken care of. It's probably gonna be about maybe a few hours to get this done, what she had said, waiting on the owner to come. So this is what the truck looks like before any of this. The truck just got pulled back now. I'm gonna ask the owner to see if we can see the process right now. All right, you guys, this is the owner right here, Alan, the man, making everything possible for the truck. I'll let you guys see a little of the process.
The entire truck, so they're gonna cover everything that's from the cab back is gonna be with plastic.
Okay.
And right now, it's basically. So they'll pull this cover, they'll spray that separately. He starts pulling off any rubber seals that's going to be on the way. He'll pull all this off, all this plastic, all where the bed lights will go, and then he'll start covering up the entire vehicle. Okay. We'll do a wire, to get that nice clean cut. And then, so if you want, we can come back in about 20-30 minutes. You can see how the process goes.
Okay.
But right now, he's just tearing everything apart.
Okay. Heck yeah, man. It's cool to be able to see the behind the scenes process of it. Oh, wow. Jeez. So you guys, this is what it looks like whenever it's done. Golly.
He did the floor and then he installed the partition.
Gosh. Yeah, this is real nice. Golly. So guys, this is what it will look like when it's done. Of course, you guys will see the footage whenever I get it done. So yeah, a little switch to intermission while we wait to the next step. Gotta play a little bit.
See, it's all covered up. The cab, the side, the tailgate area. The only thing we leave exposed is what's going to get sprayed with lining, with the bed lining. Everything else gets all covered up. Right now he's sanding the edges and he's about to sand the entire bed.
Jeez, man, I know it's a lot of damn work.
It's about 2.5 hours of prep time and about 15 minutes of spray time.
Dang.
Yeah, the spray time is quick. It's just all the prep work you have to do.
Yeah.
It's worse than painting the car.
The prepping, oh yeah, I believe it, man. Jeez.
So the undercoat, basically what it does, it's going to protect all this from rust and anything like that.
Okay.
Rust, it keeps it from rusting out.
All right, so you guys can see a little bit behind the scenes of what's going on. And the next clip I'm gonna show you guys is the actual, maybe the spray or the finished product. One of the two, but let's get back into it. All right, guys, finished product right here. Sheesh. Oh yeah. A lot better than before. Crazy. Oh, wow, he even did up here too. That's our main concern, all the way up here. Oh, dude. Yeah, it looks real good, man. Got everything done, got it all taken care of. This man right here took care of me. I'll let him introduce himself and tell you guys if y'all need all his information.
What's going on, everybody? My name is Alan. I'm the store manager at Linex in South Dallas. Store phone number 972-685-0072. Physical address is 6906 South R.L. Thornton Freeway, Dallas, Texas 75232.
So, like I said, it's finally done. Got the truck finished, and I gotta take one more look at it, man, because this thing way overdue.